In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy OpenAI API credits. So the first thing you want to do, you want to come to platform.openai.com, and then you'll have to sign into your account. You can use the exact same account you're using to use ChatGPT. And then once you're in here, you'll see a bunch of different things up top here on the right. Now, you may see only like docs and API reference or something like this, but next to it, it's going to say start building or something along those lines. So what you should do is click on that and then basically put in your organization name or whatever that is, so you can basically start your project, and then you'll be able to essentially get to your dashboard over here once you have created one of your projects. So once you've done this, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on this settings button, and then you want to go ahead and click on billing over here on the left under organization. So click on billing, and then here, as you can see, they have a kind of pay as you go. So as you can see over here, it says your credit balance will be consumed as you use the API. So it's a pay as you go system. And here you can just click on add payment details, and then you can basically put in your card and then of course top up. Now, of course, you can select different payment methods over here. As you can see, I have no billing plan, so I can't really do this, but you'll be able to do it essentially whenever you basically get a billing plan. So here, just connect, and then you can essentially use your credits as you go and as you are using the API, as they say over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.